Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B, and just a very quick hello, thank you, and wow. We've reached over 1 million views, so I want to thank everyone that's taken the time to view the channel, view my content, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, write to me, email, contribute in whatever way you have. It's been great, and thank you very much for taking the time to view my videos. 1 million views, over 1 million views is an awful lot of views. Not by Logan Paul standards or even a lot of the bigger channels out there. But for me, for this small channel, as you can see, it doesn't earn a ton of money. It's only 300 something odd dollars a month it makes. You know, and it's growing, as you can see. You know, it's doing really well, and we're almost coming up to our 1 year anniversary, which will be towards the end of April. So we've done all this in less than a year, which is incredible, and we're also reaching or getting very close to having 4,000 subscribers. So I just want to thank you all once again. I will be doing more videos, as I have promised numerous times, but the whole thing relying on that is that there has to be news, and I have to have things to review and comment on. So as it's coming to that time of year when I start to think about what to renew and what to replace and what to upgrade, there'll be more of those videos. And of course, as we move more into the year, we'll get more sort of gadget news coming out, and I'll be more involved in that too. But to do all that requires money, mostly, to have these things, because I'm not big enough to have them sent to me. So, till then, I will be doing other videos and commenting on stuff as and when I feel fit. And thanks once again. 1 million views is an amazing mark for me. It's a real turning point. And I want to thank you all once again. Thanks again, guys. Take care. Have a great week.